Hi guys, welcome to Olive Learning. Today we are going to study about chapter number 1, inverse ratio. So inverse ratio, if A is to B is the given ratio, then the inverse ratio of A is to B is B is to A. If one ratio is the inverse of the other, then their product is 1. For example, A is to B is the given ratio, the inverse of A is to B is B is to A. When we multiply these two, that is when we find out the product of them, we get, so A is to B can be written as A by B into the inverse, that is B is to A, can be written as B by A. So when you simplify this, you get 1. A is to B and C is to D are any two ratios, then the compounded ratio of these two ratios is their product. Example, if 5 is to 6 and 6 is to 7 are any two ratios, then the compounded ratio of these two ratios is their product. That is, first term is multiplied with the first term, second term is multiplied with the second term. That is, 5 into 6 is to 5 into 6 is to 6 into 7. That is, 5 6 are 30 is to 6 7s are 42. Therefore, for these two ratios, the compounded ratio is 30 is to 42. So, in general, if A is to B and C is to D are any two ratios, then the compounded ratio of these two ratios is AC is to BD. Now, we are going to see some results among ratios. For any ratio, A is to B, the duplicate ratio of A is to B is, that is, the duplicate ratio is A square is to B square. Now, the subduplicate ratio is root A to B. The triplicate ratio is A cube is to B cube. Also, the subtriplicate ratio is cube root of A is to cube root of B. So these are all very important results. They are used in solving problems. Example number 1, in inverse ratio from your Icai textbook. Read the questions carefully and understand the question. The monthly incomes of two persons are in the ratio 4 is to 5. So again, you see, incomes of two persons are in the ratio 4 is to 5. The income of first person is equal to 4, that is 4x. The income of second person is equal to 5x. And given their monthly expenditures are in the ratio 7:9. Further information is also there, that is, if each saves rupees 50 per month, savings is equal to rupees 50. From this we can find out the expenditure of persons, each persons. For example, expenditure, I hope you know the formula. Expenditure is equal to income minus saving. So remember this formula. Expenditure is equal to income minus savings. So from this we can find out the expenditure of first person as well as expenditure of second person. Therefore, expenditure of first person is equal to that is income is 4x, each one is saving rupees 50, so 4x minus 50. The same thing, expenditure of second person is equal to income is 5x, so 5x minus 50. But it is given their monthly expenditures are in the ratio 7:9. That is, expenditure of first person is to expenditure of second person is equal to 7:9. 7:9. 4x, that is expenditure of first person, 4x minus 50 is 2. Expenditure of second person, that is 5x minus 50 is equal to 7:9. Now you know to write this ratio in a division form, that is 4x minus 50 by 5x minus 50 is equal to 7/9. Now we cross multiply them, so each term is multiplied by 9, that is 9 into 4x, that is 36x, minus 9 into 50, that is 450, is equal to 7 into 5x, 35x, minus 7 into 50, 350. Now bring all the variable terms one side and the constant term to other side. So 36x, this 35x you bring here, that is minus 35x is equal to here minus 350, this minus 450 goes that side, that is plus 450, that is 36x minus 35x is equal to 1x, that is x, minus 350 plus 450, that is equal to 100. X is equal to 100. But we are asked to find their monthly incomes. Therefore, monthly income of a person, that is first person, therefore income of first person is equal to 4x, that is 4 into 100, that is equal to 400 rupees. The second one, income of second person, 5x, that is 5 into 100, that is equal to 500 rupees. So I hope you understood this problem. Thank you.